how to remove a stuck drill bit from an Erbauer drill. So let's just say this drill bit here was stuck in our Erbauer drill. What you first, I recommend, is getting hold of the chuck and going this way. So this is clockwise, and if it's not unjamming the mechanism here at the end, then it's well and truly stuck. What I recommend is letting the actual drill just sit on the side, because a lot of the time it'll be stuck because it's too hot and the parts swell and everything gets stuck. So just leave it alone, let everything cool down, then try again, untightening. If that doesn't work, add some lubricant here in the end, because it could be stuck because of debris here. So spray it down into this mechanism here, then leave it alone for 24 hours, something like that, and then come and give it another twist, see if that unloosens it. If not, what I recommend is gently, not too hard, is tapping it on a solid surface in different directions. The lubricant again, and then seeing if that untightens it. And if it does, you've successfully untightened it, obviously. But they're 3 quick tips of how to get a stuck drill bit out of an Erbauer drill. If this helps you out, don't forget to give the video a like, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.